Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to open code from Notepad++ in browser like Chrome, Opera, Safari. So from here, I have a codes. So in order for you to do this, you can just simply select run on the top over here. Now just simply select run on the pop-up window, and now just simply select these three dots. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and go to the location of your Chrome or any web browser. So now, guys, once you have located your Chrome or browser location, just simply select open. And from here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and go to the end of your location path and just simply tap on your keyboard space and just simply put this code over here, comma, dollar sign, open parenthesis, full underscore current underscore path, close parenthesis, and comma. Now just simply select save and it will provide you a name. So let's say I'm gonna go for Chrome or run. And after that, just simply select OK. Now just simply cancel. Now from here, you just simply select run and you will have the path file that we just created, and that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.